To find a low-competition dropshipping niche, check three things. How many reviews do the top products have? Is there enough profit left after cost and shipping? And is there a clear reason someone would buy it? Start with reviews. Search a broad niche, then open a few products that look like something people would actually buy. If every decent product has 10,000, 20,000, or 50,000 reviews, that niche is probably crowded. It does not mean you can never sell there, but it means you need better branding, better ads, or a much stronger offer. That is harder for a beginner. Now compare that to a niche where good products still have steady reviews, but not massive review walls. Maybe a few hundred reviews, maybe 1,000 or 2,000. That is usually easier to test because buyers are already buying, but you are not fighting the biggest sellers on day one. Second, check profit room. A niche can look low competition and still be bad. If the product costs $12, shipping costs $5, and everyone sells it for $19, there is almost no room left. You still need to pay for ads, returns, payment fees, and mistakes. So do not just ask, "Can I sell this?" Ask, "Can I still make money if ads are not perfect?" Third, check why someone buys. This is where a lot of product research gets messy. A good niche needs a clear buyer reason. It saves time. It fixes a small problem. It protects something. It makes a hobby easier. It helps a pet, a car, a kitchen, a desk, or a routine. If the only reason is, "This looks cool," the product can die fast. Here is the simple rule. Avoid niches where every product is already huge, margins are thin, and the buyer reason is weak. Look for niches where the products have real demand, enough profit room, and a clear reason to buy. That is what I use ProductLair for. Instead of opening random Amazon and AliExpress pages for hours, I can search products, check competition, compare margin data, and open the full product analysis. So if you want a low-competition niche, do not start with "What is trending?" Start with this: Can buyers want it? Can I make money on each sale? And am I early enough to compete? If those three answers look good, the niche is worth a closer look. Link is in the description.